The Florida Department of Health has issued multiple red tide warnings in Southwest Florida in recent days. On Sanibel, red tide has taken over popular beaches, and that's causing concern.
Wink News reporter Paul Dolan joins us live from Sanibel now. Paul, you spoke with one organization fighting to keep the water clean. What impact does that have on our water quality?
Well, experts tell me that toxins released during a red tide bloom can have a domino effect. And when massive fish kills happen, those rotting, decomposing fish in the water can cause that water quality to plummet. But recent technological breakthroughs combating red tide may be on the way. Red tide has taken a front row seat off the shores of Sanibel, and environmental conditions are prime for the toxic algae to thrive.
Any kind of stormwater runoff or river discharges contain nitrogen that can help fuel the blooms.
Chris Whitman, co-founder of Captains for Clean Water, fears Lake O discharges may be contributing to the bloom.
We currently are having discharges from Lake Okeechobee that we know can feed those blooms, and could it explode into something that will affect, our businesses coming into tourist season.
As the red tide grows, stretching the length of Southwest Florida, people want solutions. And that is where David Spears and his extreme technology from Heartland Energy Group come in.
We're ready to go when we're called on.
But before Spears can apply the extreme red tide solution, they need approval from the state, and Spears is not waiting around.
The state will put a program together to deploy this with our partnership, and we have people right now talking to the state, and we're starting our game plan, our action plan, as we speak.
And Spears believes, despite the massive size of the bloom, extreme can help.
There's no bloom large enough that extreme can't handle. I don't care how big the bloom is.
Now, just in the last 2 hours, the Collier County Department of Health issued a red tide bloom alert for Vanderbilt Beach and Barefoot Beach. Hopefully Spears is right, because we're seeing more and more red tide. Experts also warn, while you may not feel the effects of red tide at the beach, your kids or pets might. Reporting live on Sanibel, Paul Dolan, Wink News.